So this is the tree that I took my air lays on, and as you can see, she's really big, but so many of our figs is right. Oh yeah, this one is really good. So this is me early in the morning. Yeah, collecting breakfast. I got a pocket full of figs, y'all. And yeah, it's raining. It's raining. It's like eating jam. Yeah, baby, this is jam. The freshest jam you will ever taste. No? Oh, that is so good. I don't know if you can see, but there's so many of them are turning brownish. Yeah. So I have a lot in my pocket. Today, Jada got out of school today at about 2. And she and I are going to harvest a lot of these figs. There's a lot of them up in the top. Because this tree is so big, I want to do more air lays on her because I need to cut her down some. She's just, yeah, she's getting too big. She's getting too big for my backyard. Yeah? Yeah. So I wanted to share just my thoughts on growing older, maturing, and gardening, and how it affects us, right? And, you know, we all know that in our garden, we love it. But this is one of the things that gardening does to you when you are growing older. This garden, I'm sitting in this garden around all of these plants, and all of these plants is alive. They are alive, and they are projecting energy. Yeah, there is a lot of energy here in my garden. And what that does, it helps me as a human being. It energizes me. But as you grow older, many of the simplest things that I used to do, it is difficult to get them done today. There's nothing wrong with the mental part of you. No, baby, it's the physical. It is the physical part of you that says, I can't pick that up. So, as we grow older, we change our way of doing things, right? Yeah, many of us know about getting raised beds higher and so on, so you don't have to bend down so much, right? But there's much more to this thing, to gardening as we grow older, right? Let's talk about that. Because our bodies are changing. Yeah, our bodies are changing. We must choose our time wisely. And not only choose our time, but use our time very wisely when we are in this garden. Now, spring and summer gardening has become something different for all of us. It doesn't matter what zone you live in. Our spring summer garden has changed. And when things change, we must change with it, right? We must do some changing. So for the summer garden, if you are elderly, if you take meds on a daily, like maintenance meds, you truly must change your timing in gardening. Now, I have this weekly, I guess it would be a challenge or a hope for our community, is that on Mondays we don't eat meat and we drink a half a gallon of water. Well, I'm going to tell you, drinking a half a gallon of water should be something we do daily. Yeah, we really do. We really should. But this is something I do. I'm trying very hard to incorporate in my diet every day. Now, some days I come short. Yeah, I come up a little short, but I definitely give it a good effort. I try to set out about 4 to 5 bottles of water in the morning, and I'm praying that by the end of the day, I have no more bottles of water waiting for me. Being in that garden when it is hot, like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, baby, you are asking to go see the ancestors today. That's what you're asking for. Because we are sitting here in this garden and it is life. But it also can be death. Yeah. As strange as it may seem, because there is life and death in this garden. And what do I mean about that? Think about this. You see all these plants. They are all beautiful and green, right? But as soon as something is missing from them, soon as something missing, what happens? They turn yellow. Their leaves begin to die. Oh, something is going on with them, right? And what happened is, if you don't take care of it, they will die. And that is what it is. This is the way God created this thing. This is not man. And man is trying to take over everything that God has created. They are trying to control it. But as we get older, we must change the way we garden. Because gardening today, not yesterday, today, is something that we are going to, it's going to be a part of our lives. It must be. And it's because of the way Big Farmer is changing. Before you know it, family, they are going to put a patent on all our seeds. All our seeds are going to be patent. Yes. And we will not be able to grow the food the way we want to grow it, because they will be GMOs. Now, I don't know if you have seen of watermelons. These watermelons, they're peeling. When you cut them open, they spitting and lots of air inside of them, and they are rubbery. And this is because they are GMOs. Many of them, and most of them, are seedless fruits. Family, I would pray that you do not eat or feed your family seedless fruits. They are no good for our bodies. At all, family. At all. GMO products are killing us. And this is the thing. They are telling us, because you could read about it, and they are showing us that they are taking over all of this and that there's nothing we can do about it. There's nothing we could do about it because many people will not do this. Many people will not. They will not grow their own food. No. Or if they are gardening, it's a hobby. It's a hobby. It's a trend. But baby, there is some crazy things on the horizon for us. Beware. So we just had a lot of rain. I mean, flying hard rain. And so now I'm sitting out here in the garden. It's still very overcast, but it cooled us down a lot, I tell you. Oh yeah, we were sweltering in heat. Yeah, but I was out here looking at those are black Italian figs. I took all her leaves off because they all turned yellow, so I couldn't fix it, so I took them off. And now they're growing back. But anyway, that's the black Italian. And I'm going to go check some of those figs and see if they're ready, especially that one right there. Yeah. But I'm going to go check it out. My sunflower is down, and it's just laying over in the veto beds. But she'll be all right. I'm going to stand her up, but I got some bamboo sticks over there just for her. And I'm going to get her together. But I'm going to go check some of my pomegranates over there. See how they're doing. And just to see how everybody made out through this rain. It was really windy, flying hard rain. But that's my weather, y'all. That's New Orleans weather. And my oranges I don't know if you could see the oranges, but the little tree is full of oranges. And it's still doing really good. As a matter of fact, I feel sprinkling right now. So it's not finished with this rain. Yeah. But I'm going to go over here by this pomegranate tree. Let's go check it out. So this is that black Italian fig I was telling you about, and no, it's not ready. There was a lot of them over there, but she's not ready. She's getting there, but she's not there yet. Nope, she's not there yet. Yeah. So let's check out some of these pomegranates and see what they're doing. So I have this melon right there. You see it? Got this. Okay, there we go. So, as I said, it looks like a tiga, and it is turning rust. And that is a process of a tiga. She turns rust, and then she turns orange. Well, y'all, I did not think I planted a tiga. And if you all were here when I taste my first tiga, you all know exactly what I'm talking about. So one person I know who were here and heard me was Mike the Chaotic Gardener. Mike know exactly what I feel about the tiga melon. Yeah. So here is my oranges. So many of them. It's full, but I don't know if you all can hear and see The rain is back. It's back. Let me get out of here. So I'm sitting under a little hanger over my back door. But I wanted to share this with you all. You all see that? Yeah, she putting on her first racks. Come on, mama. Now the other ones, I can't see them from here. But there's one right there. But you can't really see it very well. And as you see here, my sunflowers, they getting it. They getting it. But yeah, it's raining and I'm going back inside, y'all. I'm going back inside. God darn it. So now I can see my turmeric growing in this bed. You see them, Ben, right down? Them two plants. Turmeric. And the cucumbers are coming down. So I do have some, I found some cucumbers in there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those cucumbers for seeds. Yeah, because they were prolific. Oh, look, Ben, look at that long one right there at the bottom. You see it, Ben? It's a long, long one. It's right there. So Ben is untangling it, getting it down.